Alright guys, there's this box that I usually do my stuff in. I used that soldering tool to write my name in there. Anyways, here's this old calculator that you guys probably don't remember. But if you guys saw my really old video, I burnt this calculator. And some guy requested me to smash it. So, here you go. Oh my god. Haha. For some reason I've kept this calculator for 2 years now. Oh god. No. Oh yeah. Stupid burnt LCD screen. Oh, where'd the battery go? There used to be a nice battery in there. I'm gonna smash the battery. Here's the battery. Alright guys. Battery smash. Oh. What the hell is this thing? It's a AG10. AG10 is the thing, button cell. Let's just kick this into the side of my lawn. Hey, what's this thing all over here? Oh yeah, destruction.